Westermans here with a 1-ton welding positioner which just arrived. Machine is being sold as seen or can be serviced to order. Sold as seen is literally as you see it there. Machine will be functioning, rotating variable speed, power tilt up and down with a pendant control and a foot control. Machine is 400 volts, 3-phase. Foot control on. Foot control off. Variable speed. Obviously forwards and reverse. Power tilt. The table on this is a blank which somebody's put on, which is 900 diameter. There is another table underneath which is approximately about 800 diameter. So the top table could actually be removed to expose the better table underneath, or a blank could be placed over the top. If sold service, the table will be removed and the table underneath will be replaced or reskimmed. As you can see, the table has actually been welded underneath. Nice controls on the pendant. Like I say, more details available on westermans.com, or there is other positioners in stock, new and used. This one's actually, like I say, 1,000 kilos carrying capacity. Thank you for looking.